Have you ever felt like someone is sending you negative energy or wishing harm on you? Today, I am going to show you a powerful protection ritual called the mirror shield spell, a spiritual method to reflect negativity back to its source and keep yourself safe. This is not about hurting anyone, it's about protection. The idea is simple. Any harmful energy directed toward you gets reflected away like a mirror bouncing light. What you will need: a small mirror, a white candle, a pinch of salt, a quiet space. Start by sitting in a calm place where you would not be disturbed. Light the white candle. This represents purity and protection. Hold the mirror in your hand and imagine it glowing with protective energy. Sprinkle a small circle of salt around you of your candle. This creates a boundary. Repeat slowly this chant. Any harm sent out to me, return to source, now set me free. Shield of light, protect my soul, only peace within my control. Say this 3 times while focusing on your intention. Blow out the candle and thank the energy around you. Keep the mirror somewhere safe. It now symbolizes your protection. Remember, your strongest defense is your mindset. Stay positive, stay grounded, and nothing meant to harm you can truly reach you. Guys, for more information, contact Agori Dinesh Babaji. Mobile number is 9530646053. Send your queries on WhatsApp. For more update, visit our website agoridineshbabaji.com. Thank you so much, guys.